Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. And as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes, depending on your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes, you. Are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updated videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, you're going to be notified, or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. Because in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. Because in YouTube, you know, cryptocurrency and those things, they don't send notification very quick. So you can join us in Telegram. In Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So let's start our lesson of today. As you see today, what happened, the Bitcoin, a very bullish day. It came, and that's something very good. And that's what else we've been telling you guys. When we break in here, that level here, we told you that the bull run. Some people, they been saying all that is a bull trap, is a blah, 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 blah. So the people, they buying with me from here, from 15K, now they're laughing. And when also we touch that trend line, that one, me what I told you. I told you I just bought now Bitcoin. From here, exactly from here I buy Bitcoin me. But I told you that one, it will not be for 1 day or 2 days. That one is going to be for years. And people, they been with us when we be in here. That's what me been telling you. I told you guys at this time, you are in discount. All that time when we be in here, exactly at those levels here, we be telling you guys, also we are in discount. Yes or no? You remember it or no? So all those people, they buy from down here. They make a nice profit till now. Now here, let's forget about that and we go back to the topic. What we said here, here and here. We said we got here a wake off pattern. That one here is a fake out. If the market came, I'm breaking that last high here like that and doing like that. That 100% is the bottom of the Bitcoin. Did it break here? Not yet, my friends. Not yet. We need another day to be like that, like today. If it happened tomorrow like that, we are going to jump in the sky. Because till now, if we're going from here, from daily to the monthly, I want to show you something in the monthly. Let me show it to you. Then we came back here. Look with me here in the monthly. You remember here? In that level here, what else we used to say there? You remember it here? The last candle of the monthly, it's finished here in that 50 moving average. That candle which is going now, that one, it's breaking the 50 moving average. If we finish the month like that, that the bull run 100%, no one will stop it. And remember my word, because the Bitcoin, it came down, the rest here, now it's going back upward. If we break that, that 100% is the bottom. By the way, that monthly candle, it's left for it 13 days. And also every monthly when it's finished candle, we analyze for you the Bitcoin. That way we advise you every time I told you to subscribe to our channel. It's going back now to the daily to analyze for you there. Here in the daily, you remember when we break in here. Actually, I just put a picture in the community tab here in YouTube. You can go back and watch it. When we just break in here, that level here, watch me, I write in that picture. You can find it still there. Go now to the community tab, click down at the icon of my channel, enter to my channel, go to the community, click at it. You're going to find there are a lot of comments and you're going to find 2 pictures. It's breaking here in the 4 hours. I told you guys, it's breaking here. I told you, some people now they are going to enter short. Smart people, what they are going to do, they are going to wait correction and they are going to enter long. Why? Because of that break here. That's what I said. You can go back and watch it there. It's about 1 week now. Look at it now, where you are. And another thing we said it here in the daily. Let me show it to you. You remember when we break in here, that trend line, we go back to test it here. That one here, actually, as you see it. We go back with this, the trend line here. Then I told you that everything it's looking healthy till now. Yes or no? And what I told you here? I told you all that move here and go back here and test that one here. If that one going up and breaking for us the last high here, everything it's look healthy till now. Did it break it? Yes, that candle here, the green one here, it's breaking the last high of that one. We need another day to close like that. You're going to see the Bitcoin going to the sky. Bitcoin, when the bull market start, it go very fast. But when is it the bear, it go very slowly. And that's what me been telling the people they been with me from the start of that channel. When we been, because also we started that channel when the bear run started. We been telling them, guys, a plane. When did you enter to the plane? When the plane is it in the floor, landed in the floor, and the engine stopped. Everything stopped. At the right time, you enter and you sit, you find your chair, you close the belt, then they close the plane, then the plane take off. So also when we being down here, that's when the plane is being in the floor. Now the plane it started taking off. Some people they came to me now at this place here. They told me they want to enter. Why you don't enter from 15k? Why you don't enter from 17k? You come and tell 24k you want to enter. Now the Bitcoin is going to 25k. If we break 25k, you're going to go to the sky. That two levels here. Those ones for the options. Those people here, they selling the cover calls of them. Those ones here, last time you remember last Friday, it's being here at that place. And those people here, they bought the Bitcoin here at 22k. Look where the Bitcoin is it now. Everything is too clear. Let's go to see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, you remember when it touched here, me, I told you I'm buying. I told you, my view personally, it came here. It's going to come to touch that trend line. Then after that, it will go in upward. Now, here, the tricky part here. If you go into the chart now, you're going to find you got there a divergence here. Yes or no? But that one is daily. In the daily, it take long for the market to reverse. It's not like 4 hours or something. That's why also we're telling you all those things. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go in to see why the Bitcoin it's move all that move today. So let's go in to see the news. The Bitcoin, it moved all that move because of that one. That the data what came today. That one. Retail sell. The retail sales, it show the America market or American economic is it very, very healthy now. And consumers or retail sales, they got money. Or consumers, they got money at this time. When consumers, they go in, they buying stuff. That meant the Fed, it will not increase interest rate more. And you don't need to forget the inflation what came this month is for January, not for this month where we are. That meant next month is going to come February and it's going to come positive. That way you see the Bitcoin is going up all that much like that. That's how you need to put stuff together. And for today, what we got? Here we have what we got today. That news for today. We got here the building permit. That one, if it came positive here it's showing it will not come positive. But if it came positive, I don't know, you're going to see the Bitcoin going to the sky. Remember my word. But if it came, how they say in here, 1.35 is going to scarce to go back a little bit. Because the building permit is the issue for US economy. Everything is too clear here. And what we got here, we got the initial jobless claim. Even that one, if it came like how the forecast here, 200k, it's good for US economy. Then what we got here, that one here, Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index. Even that one, if it came like that, because the previous one used to be 8.9. If it came 7.4, it's very, 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 very good. Why is very good? Because the numbers here is it minus 8.9. 8.9 here. If it came 7, that means what it's doing, it's going back to 0. That means it's pivot because it's being falling. Now it's pivot, it's going back to 0. Everything is too clear. Then what we got, that one here. That one is the most important though. The PPI. That one, the inflation, the Fed it's looking at. The forecast here is 0.4. The previous one, it used to be minus 0.4. If it came 0.4, that meant the Fed, it will not increase more interest rate. And what it did when it's working. That the interest, that the CPI, the Fed it's looking at. Or inflation, the Fed is looking at. Everything is too clear. And here, our friend, that table of us, every time we're looking at it, as you see it here, all US stocks, they are green today. Everything is looking green. Plus our friend here, the VIX, today it fell down. 18.23. For us, we are below 20. There is no scarcity now. The market is look healthy. That's what I told you now. Everything is too clear here. Now it's going to the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, you remember what I told you. I just put a picture in my Telegram channel. I do it like that. And I told them when it's breaking here. Where have you been? That's what I told you yesterday in the last video. Just go back to the last video in 4 hours and watch our analysis. We do it like that and we do it like that. That's what we said here. We said if it's breaking here, we will enter long. If it's breaking down here, we will enter short. Where did it break? It's break here. Did it bring the take profit here? Exactly, look at it. Because the take profit for a wage, it needs to be here. Another thing here. You remember that one? I'll tell it to you. I told you to give you here a double bottom. And the neckline, it's being broke here. Look at it here. And what happened here? People, they being with me? For some time, they remember all those things. What else we said here? What else we said here in that place here? You remember when we used to be here and here? We couldn't break the 200 moving average. When it's break it here. And over here in that place, it's break for you even the trend line. That's what else we been teaching you guys. And here, the 200 moving average. Look at it, how it reacts here. It reacts like a very stronger support. Now, if you came like that and you do it like that, just someone he never ever trade. What you looking here? A trend line is going up. Yes or no? It's the 200 moving average I'm talking about. Every time the market he came, he touched it, then it bounced up. But the market is telling you, look at it. The market it came from here till here, that a high. He came, he give you here a low. Now another high. That high tell where it's going to go. Very simple and easy to know it tell where it's going to go. You just bring the Fibo like that and you came from here to the last low here and you do it like that. That one is going to go till here, till that place here. You see it or no? That one here. That one here, if you came and you do in there a line like that, and you came, you do with that line here. That line is it at 26,218. As you see it, 26,218. That's the place where is the Bitcoin is going now. It's delta in that one. Let's see in that 26K. Where is it? You just zoom out like that, and you see it. You see it where it is or no? It's the last falling of Terra Luna. We're breaking here that level. Here, that where is the Bitcoin is going. It's going at 26K, 25K. Who will break it now? Its lock is going to get broke. But if it go here to 26K, should you take profit? No. Bitcoin is going to 70K. I show you all those things in the daily and weekly if you've been with us for some time. And watch me, I told you in the daily, the last video. I told you that Bitcoin, he tried to give us here a head and shoulder. I tell it to you like that. It's break for you the neckline. Look at that. It's breaking the neckline now. Take profit for that one is going to be very high. Now at that place where we are now, what shall we do here? Shall we enter short? You got anything here to enter short? No, my friend, you don't got nothing. You got here, you can make it like that, like a trend line here. If that one came and break a lower here, maybe. Or the market to give you here a price action like I would give it to us here. But now, there is nothing here indicating the market is going to reverse. Over here, it's indicating the market is still going up. Unless if tomorrow PPI, it came negative. That one is another story. Everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see our indicator what it's saying. So it's going there. Our indicator, you remember we used to have here the trend line. The last video used to be here. I told you, did it break? I told you yes. You remember we told you here we used to have here a divergence. The last two videos, you can just go back and watch them. When we break in here, I told you it's going now to the overbought area, but also we need a confirmation from the price action. Did it break? It's break. Look where we are now. Another thing here, you need to be careful. Now the trend line here, we don't need it. We need just to delta it like that. Now another thing, the last high which is here, you see it where it is. And that one here, it gives us here a high in the chart more than here. Also here, we got a very big divergence here in the daily. Now also what shall we do? We're waiting. If it's going to peak here, to give us a peak here, then also we're going to come and we're connecting those dots like that. But now also we are in a very big bull run. And look with me here. The market, it's spending long here in the place where is the bulls they controlling. But when it came to the place where is the bears they controlling, it doesn't spend there long. He just came, he touched here the oversold area, then he went up. So it's been a very good opportunity for someone if he doesn't enter to enter from here. Or would have you enter from here. Everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, we being here at the oversold area. You remember it? I told you like that. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. You remember that? And what I told you for us to enter long, we need a price action. Price action we used to have here is that one. That wage here. It's getting broke here. Although you enter. Now at this time, you need to protect yourself. You don't know what's going to happen. Either from here it can fall down. You don't know what's going to happen. Now here, you can even make like that and something like that. You can make like a triangle here like that. Or a megaphone. And that one it needs to go. As we said, is going to go till 26K. Now at that level where we are, should you enter short? No, my friend, you don't got any price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. That's it. You need to wait more now. And me, I just show you how to know exactly where it's going. I told you it's going to go till here. Till that level 26,218. As you see it here in that level. Can even zoom it for you for the picture to get more clear to you. Let me zoom it. As you see, look with me here, that where is the Bitcoin it going? See that number here? 26,218.95. That where is the Bitcoin it will go. Tell here exactly. Everything is too clear to know it exactly. It just came like that. You see here those tops and you do it like that. So that one it will go till it will touch in here that trend line here. Then maybe from that we're going to see a correction or something. But yeah, now we're still in a bull run. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. People, they been with me, they remember all those things. Over here, we told you to enter long from here. You remember it or no? Last video, we told you here, you have here a double top. It couldn't break here the neckline. And actually, it give you here a very clear peanut like that. As you see it, it's breaking here. That one will have, if me I put a video after European market close, will have it's breaking here. Look, tell where it went. You see it or no? That's a big pump happening today to the Bitcoin. Now here at that level, what should you do? Nothing, my friend. Me in the last video, I told you like that. I remember it very, 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 very well. Because those things me I'm giving you here, I trade by them. I'm not just came here to start bringing pictures from Google and I came here to analyze for you. I do it like that. I told you, you got here the trend line like that. Like that, I do it. And I told you down, you got the trend line here. I told you if the market came here and breaking here, you can enter short, or if it's breaking for you, the neckline here, enter short. And I told you for the long, if it's breaking here, enter long. Look, tell where will that you go. That for people, they haven't entered with us from down here. Also, we enter a long from here. When it's breaking here, we enter long. Look, tell where. You can find all those things in our past videos. Just go back, watch 1 or 2 videos. You're going to find the Bitcoin when it used to be here at that level before all that happening. We used to be like that. Let me make it for you because some people I know them, they used to be like that. There is nothing of the future. That's what us we used to be here. And we told you the Bitcoin is going up. Look, tell where you are now. You are at 24k. Bitcoin it used to be here at 21k. You see it or no? Now here at that level, what should you do here? It's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, it's being here at the overbought area for long. Now look at it from here. Here where we are. That way me I told you to follow indicators. Told you enter short now. No, my friend, there is no entry short. Did you got any price action here indicating for you need to enter short? You got head and shoulder, double top, triangle. No, we don't got nothing here indicating for us as the market is going to reverse. So the market is still going up here in 30 minutes. There is nothing to enter short or something. Unless if the market came and doing something like that, then we came back and we tell you to enter short. Till now, the only thing you can do, you just came here and you try to connect in here. You making a trend line like that. If that one came and break it here, but that one is still very, very, very far away from it. Now, the only view, me personally, I'm looking at it now. That one just for scalping. I know some people they don't want me to say those things, but me, I'm going to tell it to you. You see here what we got here. That one here, we got a supply and demand zone. You see it or no? And now also we break it here. Over here, I'm going to wait in the market to come to test here that level for me to find the opportunity to enter again. That's it. That was me I'm going to do. You see it, how I done it or no? You see that last 2 peaks, those ones? Look with me here. You see that peak here and that one here. By the way, those things, they are very, very, very well explained in our crypto day trading course. You came here, you draw in here a square, not a line. A square like that or a level like that. Then you wait in the chart of the Bitcoin to come to touch here that level. Then you try to find here a price action or something indicating the market is going to reverse. If it doesn't come any price action, what you need to do? If the market just came here, touch here, then after that go up and breaking for you the last high, which is here, you enter long again. That's it. That's for the people they haven't entered long. For the short, if the market done like that, give you here a double top or something, staying sideways here and couldn't break more higher, that's another story. Maybe you're going to see the Bitcoin it's falling down. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. See you in another video. And please don't forget to support us by just smashing that like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.